So matrix is one of the most easiest chapter. Okay. So first thing today I will discuss is the most important thing in this, multiplication of a matrix. Okay, how do we multiply the two matrix thing? So that I will do it in the whiteboard and show you. Suppose there are two matrix A 1 2 3 4, okay, and matrix B is there 1 2 3 4 5 6, correct? So first thing for us is how to identify the rows and column. Row 1 contains how many elements? 1 and 2. First row 1, row 2. Here first row, second row, third row. Similarly, how many columns are there? First column, second column. Vertical things are column, horizontal things are rows. So that we have to always remember. If you are able to remember, it's very easy for us to get full mark in this chapter. Rows is horizontal, very basic thing, but a small thing which will make a very big difference. Columns are vertical in nature. Fine. So column will come first. 2 column. Here it is how much? 3 column. Not column, row. And second thing is the column 2 by 2, and this is 3 by 2. So if I am multiplying AB, the question is find AB. So which means we have to remove the second element in this. So first A, what is second? 2 is the column. And here what is the row? First row 3. So this we have to eliminate. So the end product you will get is what? 2 by 2. So if you multiply AB, we get what matrix? We get 2 by 2 matrix respectively. Is up to this clear? So be very concentrated in this. So I'm telling you about two things, A and B. If I'm multiplying these things, I should know what kind of matrix I'm getting. Correct? This is a 2 by 2 matrix. This is a 3 by 2. 3 by 2 in the sense 3 rows are there. First row horizontal, second row, third row. 2 represents column. So the first element represent here 3 as row, second as column respectively. So the yellow part which I have rounded here, I will remove it off. Okay, but there is a problem in this. There is a problem in this. So first step for us in examination is identifying mistakes. Because in examination, we cannot make mistakes. Okay, but we can learn from others' mistake and go on. So I will tell you what is the mistake in this. You can see here 2, correct? Here we can see 3. This 2 and 3 are different. 2 and 3 are not same. So if these elements are not same, if this column and this row are not same, then we cannot obtain the matrix multiplication. So we are learning from how? From the mistakes. That's it. This is the first way. This is a different way of learning. Same thing only I'm teaching, but different way of learning. Then how to do it? If I'm erasing this particular thing, 3 and 6, it will become what matrix? It will become 2 by 2 matrix. Now these elements are same. Now I can just say that these elements are same. 2 and 2 are same. Correct? Then I can remove this thing. If the elements, the right way of doing, I'll show you here. The right way of doing is what? If the second row, correct, or else this particular, the 2 and this 2. If the second element, if the both the elements are same, then it will be what? 2 by 2 matrix. That's it. So which means now the next step is how to do this matrix multiplication. Correct? Very easy and well below the level. So let's see a very easy question where we can do the matrix multiplication thing. And the kind of questions which will come for the examination. Yes, this is a perfect question which will help us to understand each and everything. Here I am writing it as 2 by 2 matrix. What about this? This also got 2 rows. 2 rows and 3 columns. Column 1, column 2 and column 3. 2 by 3. So what is my end product here? This is same, 2 by 2. This is same. So I'll get a 2 by 3 matrix in this. 2 by 3 matrix in this. Now I'll show you how to multiply with the same. Fine. It's a very easy thing to do it. So first thing is first row. Correct? First row, first element, that is 6. 6 into 2. I have to do 6 into 2 plus this 9 into 7. This 9 into what? 7 I have to do. This 9 I have to multiply. So 6 into 2 plus 9 into 7. That will be my first element. 2 by 3 meaning what? How can I write these things? A11, A12, A13, which means 2 rows, R1 and R2 will have in 3 columns, C1, C2 and C3. First A11 meaning first row, first column element. A12 meaning first row, second column element. A13 meaning first row, third column element. Fine. Now coming to this, the next one is what? A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Correct? But if I'm writing this, I'm getting a 3 by 3 matrix. But for us, what we need here? 2 by 3. So which means I need only 2 columns and 3 rows. Again, why I am writing these things? We got to show you that we learn from the mistakes. That is the only way we can remember this chapter very clearly. This is correct. Now, how do we get A11? That only this 6 into 2 plus 9 into 7. This will give me my first element A11. How do we get the second one? A12. 6 into 6 plus what? 9 into 9. The same one. Next is 6 into 0 plus 9 into 8. How do I get this one? Now if I erase all of this thing, it will be much clearer. So this first row is everything is done. How do I get this particular thing? A21, A22, A23. 6 into, what should I give? 6 into 2, that is over. But I have not used 2 and 3. Correct? So 2 into 2 plus 3 into 7. 2 into 6 plus 3 into 9. 2 into 0 plus 3 into 8. That's it. Then if you do simple addition, which I learned in the first and second standard, we can get the answer. But we have to be very careful in this. Because in matrix, even if we write, instead of 72, if I write 73, in the board exam, the teacher will cut the entire mark. Okay. So one element is wrong means our mark is gone. Even if you made 75, 117, 25, 39, 24, no problem. But instead of 72, if you write 73 as the answer, that's it. So let's see one more question, which is gonna come for the exam. Let's see the same type. Let's take this problem. This problem, I'm gonna write it here. Let me just, I think now it will be fine. So this is, how many rows are there? 2 rows. How many columns are there? Column 3. So 2 by 3. Row should come always first, column second. What about this one? R1, R2, and R3. This is column 1, column 2. So how many rows are here? 3 by what? 3 by 2. So always remember the step which I told you. What is the step? If this is same, then only I will get the matrix. If this is same, I can eliminate. So which means I'll get the product as what? 2 by 2. Now we can just check it down. It is what? AB. See this thing? 2 by 2 only. Clear? So this is nothing but 2 by 2. So which means by doing this step in the very beginning, we can check the nature of the matrix. Fine. We have checked now the nature of the matrix. Now what to do next? Matrix multiplication, right? Correct? So that I'll use a different color. That will be fine. So this first element, I will multiply with what? 1 into 2 plus minus 2 into 4 plus 3 into 2. That is 6. That is my first element. If I have done this thing, the next thing will be what? 1 into 3 plus minus 2 into 5 is minus 10 plus 3 into 1, 3. That is my second element. Done. Very easy step. Now I have completed my what? I completed my first row calculation, which means I completed this one. This one is over now. This one is over now. Now I will take the next one. Which is my next one? Minus 4, 2, 5. Correct? Same procedure. Minus 4 into 2 plus 2 into 4 plus 5 into 2, 10. I'll get this. Next one is minus 4 into 3 plus 2 into 5 plus 5 into 1. I'll get this. Very easy to score full mark. But only thing is that the negative and positive sign, we have to be very, very careful in this. That's all. Okay. So row column transformation or elementary transformation. So that is one thing which I'm actually focusing. Okay, I'm going to take it first because that is the most important in today's session. Take that. Let us take one problem. We got one problem finally. Elementary transformation, find inverse. A inverse we have to find. But before this, I have to tell you one small thing. A into A inverse. Do not forget this thing. A into A inverse is equal to I. I stands for identity matrix. If it is For a 2 by 2 matrix, what is my identity matrix for this? Diagonal I should put 1. Other things I should put 0. So in identity matrix, diagonal element is what? 1. Fine. So coming to this, A into A inverse is equal to I. So if this A inverse will go this side, it will become what? I by A inverse. So I'll get it as what? A is equal to IA. So which means A is my question, I is identity, A is this. Correct? So the left hand side, this particular side, I have to make it as what? Identity matrix. This one I have to make it as identity matrix respectively. How do I do this? I can only do this by some certain operation that is called row and column transformation. So I will always suggest all of my students to use only row transformation, because what is our main focus here? Minimizing error. Second thing, these transformations, very important step, okay, should be less than 7 steps. If you're doing more than 7 steps, which means our answer is somewhere wrong. Less than 7 steps, we should get the answer. Clear? Less than 7 steps, that's it. 1 to 2 minus 1, correct? 1 0 0 1, 1 2 0 minus 5, 1 0. So this is just a question, that's it. How do I do this? I have to make this as 1 0 0 1. Okay, I'll just erase this part. So we use one more approach here that is called bottom to top approach. So I'm just telling you the names which will help you to identify how to do this. Bottom, 2 to minus 1. So this 2, how do I make it? I have to make it 1 0 0 1. So this one I have to make it 0. Correct? So this is my row 2, R2. This is my row 1, R1. So this row 2, I have to make it first element as 0. So what should I do? And I have to make, either I can divide anything, I can subtract. So what I will do is R2 gives 2 minus, this 2 minus, I should get here as a 2. 2 minus 2 I should get. Here I got 1. So 1 into 2. So which means R2 gives R2 minus 2R1. If I'm substituting this, R2 gives R2. R2 value is what? 2 respectively. What is my R1 value? 1. So this will give me what? 0. Correct? Similarly, I had to use this method here also. Minus 1 minus 2R1. What is my R1 here? 2. So minus 1 minus 4. That is minus 5. That's it. That's how we get this element. Now 0 is okay. Correct? And whatever operations I am doing here, I have to do it on the right hand side also. What is my right hand side here? 0. So here again I have to do what? 0 minus 2 R1. What is my R1 here? 1. So I'll get it as what? 0 minus 2 R1. R1 is 2. So I'll get minus 2. That's why I'm getting here minus 2. 1. 1 minus 2 into 0 is 0. So that's the reason I'm getting only 1 here. Next step is for us is to convert this into what? This element should be identity element 1001. So this is done. 0 is done. Next is to make this 1. How do I get this one? Simply divide by -5. R2 gives R2 by -5. That's all. I'll get what? 1. So if I'm dividing this full thing by -5, that is this row, I have to do the same thing here also by -5. So I'll get -2 by -5, 1 by -5. That's it. So that is 2 by 5. And another one is 1 by -5. That's all. Clear? That's how it is. Very easy step. Only thing you have to understand these things. Okay. Only thing is you have to understand everything. After understanding is very, very easy. The same step which I told, they did here. Divide by -1 by 5. That's it. I told 1 by -5. I told that's the only difference I told. So we got here 1. Identity matrix is 1 0 0 1. So this is matching. This is matching. Only thing this should match. How do I make it this also match? This is my first row R1. Correct. So what I will do here is R1 gives R1. R1 is 2. Correct. 2 minus this, I have to make it as 0. What I will do? 2 minus 2 will only give me 0. Here it is 1 is there. Put this 1 into 2. So what is this 1? R1 minus, this is my 2. 2 I am putting here to R2. 1 is in R2, row 2. Correct? R1 gives R1 minus 2 R2. That is 2 minus 1 into 2. Similarly, I have to apply the same procedure where here also. So 1 minus 2 into R2. What is my R2 here? 2 by 5. 1 minus 2 into 2 by 5. That is 1 minus 4 by 5. So that is, what is the value? 1 by 5. I got 1 by 5 as the answer. Zero minus 2 by 5. So what should I do here? 0 minus 2 into 2 by 5. That is minus 4 by 5. That's it. Okay. Fine. This step I'll once more explain to you. If you want to get this thing 0, correct? 0 minus 2 R2. So here what is 0 minus 2 into R2? What is my R2 here? 1 by minus 1 by 5. So I'll get as what? Plus 2 by 5. That only I return here. So if you get the identity matrix here, and do not forget this A. If you forget this A, they will cut half mark or 1 mark. Don't forget this thing. So then you bring this A here. A inverse is this. A inverse is this answer. That's all. Very easy thing to